Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to use hydrocolloids. First of all, we need to know that we need to use just 3 simple steps when we want to use hydrocolloids. The first one is dispersion, the second one hydration, and the third one setting. For the first one, we need to use a blender. This can help us to have a better consistency of the liquid. The second one, for hydration, we need to boil the products like agar-agar, kapar, lota, gelen, and more that we're going to introduce in a moment. The third one, setting, we need to let the liquid cool, and also you can use a shaver of ice with water bath. These just 3 simple steps we can help us to make a really good hydrocolloids. First of all, we can also know that the gels is a hydrocolloid. Gels present a similar density as a liquid, however, the structure resembles that a solid. Which hydrocolloids we obtain, for example? We can find emulsions, forms, cold gels, hot gels, thickened liquids, edible fills, coagulants, and fluid gels. So one of the first recipes that we will do today is strawberry covered with amaretto gelatin. So the thing of this recipe is clean very well our strawberry. We need to fill the strawberry with Nutella and a hazelnut, and then we need to prepare our amaretto gel. For this, we need to use kappa carotene, we need to disperse this, and also we need to take to boil around 70 degrees. We need to use this very quickly because it takes for a low temperature, it will be harder to use. So for our Nutella rocks, we just need 3 ingredients: tapioca maltodextrin, Nutella, and salt. In a bowl, we need to put our Nutella and some parts of the tapioca maltodextrin. Mix it very well and put all the tapioca and Nutella together. Then, the last step, we need to put salt, and then we can start to make our rocks. So for caramels and walnuts, first of all, we need to put the walnuts with some condiments like ginger, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of salt. It depends on what flavor do you want for the walnuts. Then for the caramel, we need to put sugar and water on the heat and wait until 160 degrees. And then we need to remove of the heat. This step is super important. Put the walnuts inside of them, and then we need to wait to crystallize it. Then we can leave it right like that, or we can put it again in the heat and wait until the color is caramel and a little bit chocolate. Then we need to rest our walnuts and it's ready to eat. For the gel and berry fluid gel, we need a juice of jelly. We add water, sugar, and then we're going to put this in the heat. When it starts to bubbles, we add our gelatin, and we're going to wait until it goes around 85 degrees. Then we're going to leave it in a cold place, and then we're going to leave it in the oven around 1 hour for 80 degrees. For the impregnated apples, we need a syrup with hibiscus and a spice mint. Then, when we finish to do the first vacuum impregnation, we will add the apples in little slices and make another impregnation. We're going to leave this, and then we're going to wait until we're going to start placing. For the white sangria suspension, we need little cubes of fruit, the liquids that we're going to use. We're going to mix all together, then we're going to let it rest. Then we're going to separate these two, the solids and the liquids, and the liquids we're going to add the xanthan gum. We're going to mix it really well. We're going to take it out all the bubbles that we can find and let it rest. With the time, we're going to put the mixer in a cup and we're going to add the fruits.